How to check last seen on Instagram if hidden. To do that, first of all, make sure that you have installed the latest version of Instagram on your phone. You can simply go on the Google Play Store, search for Instagram and install and update it. If you have already done so, open Instagram and log in to your account. And after logging in, you will see an interface like this. Here on the top right section, you will see the message icon, and when you tap on it, you can simply see that if the person has seen your message, then it will be shown on the outer side that seen 3 minutes ago, seen 3 days ago, seen 5 hours ago. So it will be shown to you. And if you want to see when did you send this message, you can see when you scroll on the right side, you have sent this message on 9:17, and like this you can see when you have sent the message, and to see if the person has seen your message or not, you can simply see it from the outside. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, then please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.